In this video, we will learn how to insert maximum function in Excel sheet. So let's start. So here I have some data and here I'm going to calculate the maximum amount of this column. Okay. So select first cell and go to the formulas tab, and here in function libraries group have an insert function option. Just click on it and here you can see the insert function dialog box is open. You can search for a function. You can enter here the maximum function and click on the go to search in this drop down list. So you just drag here and you can see the max function. You can see the max that returns the largest value in the set of values, ignores the logical value and text. Just click on OK to apply the maximum function, and function arguments, the dialog box open for max function. So in number 1, you can see the range is automatically select. For D column, I already select this cell, therefore is a D column range here selected. If you select the cell this one, then C column range is selected. Okay. If you want to edit, you can edit. Just click on this arrow and you can select the range those you want. And here you can see the amount also showing the 2500, then semicolon, any other amount also showing. Okay. Then here the formula's result also showing the maximum amount is 3000 in this column. So when you click on it, the 3000, here you see the result. See, the 3000 is a maximum amount. Okay, same as I show you the second way to get the maximum amount. Same as go to the formulas tab. In function libraries, you see the AutoSum option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the max. Here you can see the formula is automatically selected. Just press the enter key of the keyboard to get the maximum value of this column. Okay, and third way, and here I'm show you the different way. Just select the cell and use the maximum function. Just click on the is equal to and enter the max, then tab, select the data and the bracket closed and just enter to get the maximum amount. The 3000 is a maximum amount this column. Okay, so this is a way you can calculate the maximum amount in Excel sheet by using the max function. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.